Right. It's been a very long time, about 2 weeks now, without me doing analysis on the gold asset. Yeah, reason being that gold was actually giving me a little bit of confusions here and there, so I decided not to trade at all and take some break. But today I'm here, and I'll say you are all welcome. Yeah, you're all welcome. So we're going to start with our analysis, and then we're going to dive into the asset one more time. So good morning, good afternoon, good evening, wherever you are in the world. Welcome to Molar Gold Monday morning weekly analysis. Today I'm going to dissect the asset one more time for all of us to get the understanding of what is happening right now with gold. Okay, so let's go for it. Gold started with a simple three wave with A, with B, and then with C. Now let me draw it well. With A, with B, and then with C, like this. And then did another three wave with A, with B, and then with C. This gives us an expanded flat or a running flat. Um, the name is Abedi 123. Says good morning. Nanayao says good morning. Good morning, Nanayao. So we had this thing breaking the top. So now, with me, I always love, you all know, expanded flats before we go. All right. But since we've broken the top, it's likely that we can also have a running flat. And if that is the case, one, two, three, four, five, and we are done right here. The cycle is done and price can start going to the upside. All right. The cycle is done because this is a three, this is a three, this is a three, and that is a five. So we can do something like this, and then probably we start to go to the upside. So once we are done, then we are done. But if that is not the case, and then we're moving into the expanded flat, my favorite, then I'm expecting this with one, with two, with three, and then with five should be in an extension like this. Then we go back up. All right, with five should be in an extension. All right, so one, two, three, four, and then we go. Right, so basically that is what I am expecting, but don't forget, because we've already broken the top, we can have a random flat. And if that is the case, support and resistance traders have already positioned themselves to start trading right from somewhere here. This is where support and resistance traders are friends. Support and resistance traders or ICT traders too as well. They have positioned here because they would say this place is an unmitigated, this also an unmitigated, and they will keep mentioning a lot of unmitigated, right? So I will not look at the candlesticks to say anything. I'm not going to go into that stuff. All right. So yes, that's basically it. Very simple strategy, a very simple pattern that is here to play out. Okay. So if that is the case, we are looking for gold to do one of two things. I'm expecting gold to go down 3, 4, and 5 like this. So we get with 1, with 2, with 3, with 4, and then with 5. Before I will go for the big buy. But if we have some buys here now, that is likely to me a short-term buy. All right. If you watch from here, you would see what I'm talking about. If you watch from here, okay, perfect. So, um, what are we doing now? What are we doing now? We have to wait for gold to do the move. And currently, my super indicator is calling a short-term buy trend. A short-term buy trend, right? Yeah. So that indicator actually guides a lot of us, especially my 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 guys that trade with me, because when they follow it, they make a lot of money. Those that are using it and they are here can testify that the indicator is really, really good. Makes a lot of money. All right. Earlier on today, earlier on today, the indicator has already called this sell, called that sell, called this one. This was a failure, but we covered with this buy. Okay. All right. So now we're looking upwards in a short, medium term buy continuation. All right. Um, Long term buy continuation is not confirmed, but medium term buy continuation is highly possible. I'm watching from the other screen, so I can see what exactly I'm talking about. All right. So that's basically it. So for now, indicator is calling buys. All right. But with Elliott wave is saying that hey, chart is not accurate. For the meantime, we should expect we should expect something like that. Okay, if not, like I said earlier, so this one, two, three, four, five, we complete that cycle. So this becomes higher degree with one, higher degree with two, and then we'll find with three, with four, and with five, like that. Or probably even a triangle like this will be fine. Okay, these are some of the things that is likely to happen. But if not, and then we have completed the cycle, then we would be looking for buys anywhere around here and it's fine. Okay, anywhere around here and it's fine. Right? So guys, we will be vigilant looking into the charts and trading. Let's go to my favorite time frame, the 15 minutes. Let me clear certain things off this chart. Okay, maintain this one and maintain that one. Okay, let this go. Let that go. Perfect. Bingo. So what are we expecting? What are we expecting here? What are we expecting here? Okay, so we're going to zoom out and we're going to look into what the chart is giving us. All right, so looking into the chart, nothing actually really is clear unless you want to take a short-term sell right from here. You want to take a short-term sell right from here. That's the supply zone. All right, the supply zone like that, basically. So yes, if you want to take the sell from here, is good. You can take it because, like I said, I see a lot of sorry, I see a lot of sales coming our way. A lot of sales. All right, a lot of sales. Yeah. So that's basically it. That's basically it. Um. All right. So gold for now My direction based on EW is more downwards. Okay, more downwards. I haven't seen any clear stuff in here. So, like I said, when we don't see clear stuff, we trade the pieces. This, like this. So this becomes, and then we go with A, with B, and then with C. Probably this will be 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Higher degree with 1 like this, with 2 like that, and then it goes down, right? Basically. So, yes, we are still watching into these assets, which is gold. Um, I'll be adding 3 more assets within the week. I'll be adding 3 more assets. But those assets, I will just do a long-term analysis on them. We won't dive into them. So the whole week analysis, I'm just going to do it once, unless something changes. But if nothing changes, guys, I'm not going to touch those assets. I'm not going to make comments about them, right? We're only going to trade gold in the scalping phase. Okay, so we're going to scalp gold, and we'll keep scalping gold till the end of the whole week, whether long term, short term, we'll be doing that. But with these 3 new assets I'm going to add, we're going to trade them once in the whole week. Okay, we're going to trade them once in the whole week. That's basically what we're going to do. Right, so I'll give the analysis, post it in the chat, the channels, and then you're going to pick it from there. If today is your first time being here, please don't forget, like, comment, share. Please share. All right, share. Sometimes when you don't share my work, what happens is that it's also discouraging because a lot of people are not watching. Please share, okay, so that I'll also be motivated and be encouraged to give you accurate forecasts on accurate forecast. Until then, my name is Dr. Mola, and I will say bye for now, guys.